Naga we day. Welcome to school too. School too. Eh? Hey. Baby, how are you?
I'm fine.
You kept me waiting now.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Baby. No, I will not. I will soon start going. I won't stay up to 30 minutes here.
30 minutes is not a problem now because you don't say 2 seconds everywhere don't bus. So what will happen is you will take your transport. This is 5K. Use it for your transport. Just say they wise. No small problem. There's no condom in the house. Just wait. Let me run and buy it from that shop outside.
Let me sit down.
And just sit down here and wait. I thought I was not going to waste time now.
So we are here to share the word of God with you. Like this, our publication is saying 6 lessons children need to know. 6 lessons children need to know. We are talking about paradise. You know the benefit of self-control.
Yes. Will we ever be safe?
Are you really secure? See, this one is saying in Galatians chapter 6 verse 7. He said, whatever a person is sowing, this is what you reap.
You will help me with McDonald's.
You are going to where?
Mom just called.
No, baby, please now. Please, you can't just go like that. Jessica.
No problem. See, we are discussing the benefit of self-control.
Yeah.
You need it because without it, you cannot survive in this world.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Oh, yeah.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? May God not allow them, let them kill you.
No, Nami fuck up.
Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends
so that we can achieve. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel too.
Jesse love to laugh.